Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share to you a tutorial on how to make a pencil pouch out of zipper without using any fabric. On one end of the zipper, insert the zipper slider, and on the other side of the zipper, measure 9 centimeter and then 1.5 centimeter, and then cut this part and use lighter to prevent this from raveling. And from here, measure 4 centimeter and then just transfer it on the right side of the zipper. Using this measurement, attach the eye part that we set aside earlier. It should be right side to right side, and then sew a temporary stitch using 0.3 centimeter sewing allowance. From the 9 centimeter that I marked a while ago on the wrong side, fold this part and then put a mark on the opposite side of the tip of the zipper, and then follow what I'm doing. I think this is the only tricky part here, but just follow what I'm doing and I'm sure everything will be easy. Continue doing this. It just goes on until the end like this. Start sewing here on the mark all the way down to the other end of the zipper. You can sew like this or on this side, depends on where you are comfortable. Use 0.3 centimeter sewing allowance. If you will use more than 0.3 centimeter sewing allowance, you need to add the total length of your zipper, because adding extra sewing allowance will shorten the finished product. While sewing it around, stretch the zipper a bit to achieve even size of pouch from top to bottom. Before closing the bottom, make sure the eye part is aligned at the center.